Hi guys, this is Heart vs. Heart channel. If you've just joined us, welcome. If you've been on the channel before, you're still welcome. And we are glad to be with you. Babe, it's funny how most times when one person is missing, the whole world seems depopulated. Please get here soon because your baby is starving. I miss you, darling. Today was the most tiresome day of life. I literally spent all this stressing myself out for just routines. I missed you. I missed you again. I miss you more, baby. But it's funny that it seems to be waiting for me to collapse with how slow it runs. Whenever I miss someone, please, then could you be a bit faster? Because I'm missing you, baby. I miss you like this. Mrs. Shine. I miss you like X. Oh, I miss you like a kid on diet muscles eating cake. I miss you like a confident person. If you don't forget, then write in the comments about how your day went. I'll definitely read it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget like and subscribe channel.